Hey everyone, friends in the career market. Today I'll show you some key shortcuts, like keyboard shortcuts for working with text on Windows. Here's how to copy, and cut and stuff like that. So we have some text, To copy it, you need to select it all and hit the Ctrl plus C keys. There, well, we've copied it. And then to paste it, choose the spot where you want to paste it and click Ctrl V. There, and we've pasted it. Next, to move between lines without using the mouse, press Shift and Enter. So to cut the text, select it and press the Ctrl plus X keys. There, those are the two keys, and we've cut it. Then in the right spot, you can paste it there. So to undo an action, to go back, well, just press Ctrl Z. So to redo actions forward, press the Ctrl and Y keys. There. And to save a document, hit the Ctrl S key, and to select all the text, press Ctrl A. There, that's all. Edward was with you. Bye, everyone.